Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And guys, as you can see, today we're going to be doing prime numbers, fractions and multiples, and we're going to be learning what they are. We're not going to be doing some questions. That will be done in my next video. So guys, as you know, in my past videos I've been doing addition and subtraction, and in any grade you will do that for practice, so the teacher or whoever you're learning from knows what you do or how you do. In this case, I did practice questions for my past videos. So let's get started. This video might be a little longer than my usual videos, and I think that's fine. Okay, so let's start. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are numbers that have two or less multiples. So I'm going to be doing examples. So yeah, multiples, a number that you can get by multiplying two numbers. Again, I will be doing examples so you guys understand better. Factors, the number you multiply together to get a certain answer. Example. Now I know when I write all this stuff, you wouldn't really understand what I'm saying. So that's why I'm going to be doing some examples for you guys. So prime numbers, I'm going to be doing that in the end since there's a little more to it. So let's start with multiples. So actually no, let's start with factors, because that's how it usually goes, and my explanation starts with factors. So let me start with the multiplication question. The first question comes in my mind is 6 times 9. Because I know the answer wouldn't be a prime number. Yeah, I don't think the answer is a prime number. So 6 times 9 would be 54. Right? Okay, so now in my definition it says the number you multiply together to get a certain answer. Now my answer is 54. And what my sentence says right here is the number you multiply together to get a certain answer. So the two numbers that you are using to multiply is our factor. So our factor would be 6 is a factor and 9 is a factor. Factors of 54. Factors of 54. Now, we know that this is not a prime number because these two are factors of this number, 54. And 1 times 54 is 54, and if we have this, I don't think we can do that, but okay. Yeah, we can do that. So, yeah, we know that this is not a prime number, and I will explain it and show you guys an example. Now, let's use the same question for the explanation of multiples. I'm going to write the same question down just for you guys. And guys, if you heard these weird noises, that's because I'm using a stylus today. So, yeah. 6 times 9 is 54. We know that. Okay. 54. Now, we know that 6 and 9 are factors of 54. And multiple means a number that you can get by multiplying two numbers. And when you multiply two numbers, you get an answer / product. So our product here is 54. So that means 54 is a multiple. Okay, let's write this down. Multiple of 6 and 9. Multiple of 6 and 9. Now guys, let's go to prime numbers. Now, when we start off with prime numbers, we use a hundredths chart. Now, I'm not going to be using a hundredths chart because that's going to be taking a long time. And yeah. So what prime numbers are? Numbers that have two or less multiples. Now, as I say, when I multiply 6 or 9, I get the answer 54. Now, I'm going to be writing the number 54 out here. 54. What are what are some factors of this number? You know, I'm not going to write it under prime numbers. What are some factors of 54 that you guys know? Okay, let's start out with smallest to greatest. Okay, 1 times 54 is 54. Can you divide? Okay, sorry, not 2. My bad. Not 2. My bad. I'm so sorry about that. Now, can we multiply it by 2? 2 times something that equals to 54? Yes, I think there's something. Now we can divide to check this if like you're in a situation that you've been asked to figure out all the factors of a number. You're going to be using division. You're going to divide these two numbers, or sorry, my bad. These two numbers. So let's do that right now. And I will be removing this so you guys would want to see. 2, the 5 doesn't go in there, so 4 into. Now I do division a different way than like what you're probably going to be learning in class. So yeah. Now guys, I'm not going to be solving this like and explaining you the division because I'm gonna do it in a different lesson, so that's why. Okay, my bad about that. Okay, 14 0 0. I'm going to be checking this. 2 times 54 is 27. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Now guys, when we know that this number is divisible, our remainder would be 0, which should be 0, okay? So 2 times 27, let's do 54. Can you guys think about more of these? Okay, my bad. I'm doing some bad stuff right here. I can't really do stuff right now. I'm so sorry about that. So yeah. We can find more of these examples if we know our tables or multiplication. So guys, yeah, I just showed you an example and I know for a fact there are more than 2 because yeah, 12, 24, 36, 45, 54. Look, it's even in 9 because 9 times 6 is 24 or 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 9 is 54. Now it's already more than 2. So we know this is not a prime number. Now, let's use a number 7. Okay, I'm going to draw this on a different side. Let's use the number 7. Okay, let's use the number 7. Now, we know 1 times 7 is 7. 7. Okay, my bad. We know 1 times 7 is 7. Can we do this by 2? Is there something like 2 times something equals to 7? Let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8. So either there's number 6 or 8. So no, not for 2. 3, 3, 6, 9. Nope. Higher than 4, 4, 8, 12. Now it's going higher than 7 already. So it's no. Now this is, and the only second number would be 7 times 1. 7. So those are the only 2. So this would be a prime number. So here is an example of the prime numbers. I'm just going to write it down here. 7 times 1 equals to 7. And 1 times 7 equals to 7. Those are only 2 multiples, or no, factors of this number. Let's try it with 13. 13 is also a prime number. Okay, let's use the number 13. Now, 1 times 13. 13. Is there anything like 2 times something that equals to 13? Let's count. 2. Okay, we know that 6 times 2 is 12, and then 7 times 2 is 14, which is one higher than this, or yeah, one higher than this. So it's not for 2. Let's try 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Higher than 13. So no. 4, 4, 8, 12. 12. No. And then we know that the only factor would be 13 times 1 and 1 times 13. So this is a prime number again. So let me write this example for you guys. 1 times 13 and 13 times 1. So basically what prime numbers are that have only, only have 2 or less factors. yeah, guys, I hope this helped, and thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and I hope this helped. Bye bye.